Hello friends, I am going to walk you through how to cut and assemble your paper patterns for the Chore Coat template. This is also assembly tips for any other of my printed patterns. To make this as easy as possible, you need some tape. I'm going to use this little paper cutter that I got from a craft store in town, but basic scissors are a great option as well. So first what you're gonna do, I'm gonna take my little paper cutter. I'm going to take probably 4 or 5 of these pieces of paper. Now I am going to cut off just the bottom edge and the right side of every one of my printed pieces. So I have this with each one of them. I'm going to go through and finish, and then I'm going to show you how to continue piecing them together. My last set of papers to trim. And now I'm going to show you how I go about piecing them together. So you have all your trimmed sections. So it's important to remember A is the column, 1 is the row. I'm going to attach, I have a screenshot right here of what the final layout looks like. I'm going to add this to the bottom of this video so that you guys can also download it and use it as a guide. So we're gonna start with A2. You're gonna see why we left the overlap the way that we did. So I have found it very difficult to accurately piece my templates when I don't have some paper underneath the top sheet to help stabilize. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up your black lines together. There'll be a little overlap of the paper underneath. Take your tape, and I just tape over the parts that are actually a part of the final templates. So I trimmed a little wide right there. I didn't quite get on the black line. So I am going to keep that in mind when I tape these together to make sure that the black lines are still prioritized for when we're lining things up. Personally, I like to do one column at a time and then tape my columns together at the end. So I'm going to continue assembling and come back and show you. Okay, so I am putting the last sections together. So here is the final templates. And you're gonna go through, select your size, and just cut out along the line that represents the size you chose, and you're ready to get started.